Hey guys, Hackma here. I just got done recording a zombie gameplay, and I'm kind of disappointed because I just got this new camera. It works really well, and turns out that the system I was using to upload the video crashed on me about like 3 hours into the download, so I was really mad. So I guess I'll just bring you this update. I'm trying to see if I can get that stupid commercial I promised you guys. Yeah. Hey, Project, tell me if there's a stupid commercial going on. So, as soon as I got this new zoom, that I'd show you that building over there. Tell me if you can see guys over there. So, oh wait, there's someone right up in there. Well, anyways, well, that's the new zoom. It's really nice. There's a battleships, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ships. But since I couldn't bring you guys the zombie commentary, I thought I would just upload this video showing you my new camcorder. And I got some new commentaries coming up. I'm still looking for those directors. I got one more. And since the guys I played with, they might have it up on the channel, might not, but I played with MW2 Lover, Mr. He has a really hard name to pronounce, I'm probably not going to say it, but this is really cool dude I've seen on YouTube, and I like this first ever commentary. It's his only commentary up right now, but it's really nice. I'll have a link for him in the description. So, yeah. And I thought I'd bring you a common question of the day. Well, this is the start of one. You guys send me messages on YouTube asking me a question, and I'll post it at the end of every gameplay. So, you know. Yeah. So, let's just... yeah, see what we can see here. Whee! It is raining. I believe it's a typhoon right now. So, yeah. Not sure what else to talk about. Just I wanted to bring you this short little video showing you my new camcorder and see if we can get a stupid commercial on. Hopefully, I actually will have good luck this time.
This is why you never dig straight down. Come here.
Yeah, okay, what the heck.
Every time children's service.
Let's go back to that one. Yeah, nothing on. So, yeah. Tell me what kind of game type do you want me to be playing? Do you want me to be playing Team Death? Do you want me to play Domination? Do you want me to play Headquarters, objective-based games? What? And I got new... someone just yelled my name. I got new directors and stuff, so I won't be the only one uploading videos. One of the directors that I know, Felix Clutch or MW2 Lover, I know he's gonna get a new camera considering his computer crashed on him while he was in the middle of making a montage. So I'm trying to get in touch with this other dude that I said that I would leave in the comment section below. Well, not the comment, but you know, the description. So just gonna show you a quick view. There's a Japanese runner. Let's see if there he is. So yeah. Okay. So this Hackma. Oh, and I'm still looking for a saying that I can use to end off the video with. Like, I know Venom, he says, I bid you all a farewell, and something like that. So, that's all for today.